Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of products that make a difference in your beauty routine. Today, we're talking about something that's perfect for adding that natural, radiant flush to your cheeks. The Michelle Phan Cheek Color Refill in Cappuccino. This isn't just another blush. It's designed to give you a silky smooth texture and a non-powdery finish, which is something a lot of us look for in a blush. No one wants to deal with that dry, chalky feeling, right? What's even better is that it's fragrance-free and long-wearing, which is perfect if you're someone who needs their makeup to last through long days without touch-ups. The Michelle Phan Cheek Color comes in a shade called Cappuccino, which is a warm, neutral brown tone that can be a perfect match for a wide variety of skin tones. I tried this myself and I was impressed by how buildable the color is. You can start with a light dusting for a subtle, everyday look or build it up for a more intense, sculpted effect. Whether you have fair, medium, or deep skin, this shade blends beautifully without leaving any patchiness. When it comes to the texture, it's silky to the touch, making application feel effortless. It glides on smoothly without feeling powdery, and once it's on, it has a soft, natural finish that doesn't look overly matte or too shiny. Just a fresh, dewy look that adds dimension to the face. In terms of wearability, I wore it throughout a long day and was happy to see it held up well. It didn't fade or settle into fine lines, which is a big plus for me. For those with oily skin, you might want to set it with a light dusting of translucent powder, but overall, I found the longevity to be solid. Now, of course, no product is perfect. One thing I did notice is that the packaging is a bit more minimal than some other blushes I've tried. It's just a refill, which means you'll need to already have the Life palette or a compatible compact. If you're not into reusing packaging, that could be a downside. But if you're someone who likes to switch up their shades without buying an entirely new compact, this could actually be a great thing. Value for money is something I always take into consideration. And while this blush is on the pricier side, the quality of the formula is definitely worth it. You're paying for a product that's smooth, buildable, and designed to last all day, which is something that I believe justifies the price tag. If you're in the market for a high-quality blush, this is definitely a contender. For those looking for alternatives, you might find similar warm-toned blushes in other lines, but they often don't provide the same level of blendability or long-lasting wear. Some alternatives may be priced lower, but they might not offer the same silky texture or the versatility that this product brings. To wrap it up, the Michelle Phan Cheek Color Refill in Cappuccino is a solid product that delivers on its promises. It's easy to apply, offers a beautiful natural finish, and works well across different skin tones. If you're looking for a blush that you can count on to wear well throughout the day without being too heavy or powdery, this is a great choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this blush or have any thoughts to share, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.